Good morning, students. Now after arithmetic mean, today we will start positional average median. That means median is considered as a positional average, which means it determines the position of the variables in the series. Mode is also a positional average. Quartile, decile, percentile, all are considered as a positional average. Now what is the meaning of median? Median is the middle value in the data set when its elements are arranged in the ascending order or in the descending order. Or in the simple meaning we can say that median is the positional value of the variable which divides the distribution into two equal parts. That means one part compromises all values greater than or equal to the median value, and the other part comprises all value less than or equal to it. So median is a positional average which divides the series into two equal parts. Now let's start solving the numericals of the median. First of all, I am going to start with the individual series. Individual series, two cases are there. First, maybe possible odd number series will be given to you, or second one is the even series. Okay, now first of all I am taking the odd series case. Now in this way, in the individual series, the numbers will be given in this way. So your first step, either you can arrange it in the ascending order or in the descending order. So I am arranging them in the ascending order. So first 40, then 42, 50, 55, and last one is 60. This is your first step. Arrange them in the ascending or in the descending order. Now the formula to calculate the median is equals to size of n plus 1 upon 2 item. This is for individual series. So now n means number of items. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 items. The size of 5 plus 1 upon 2 item. So 6 upon 2, that means third item. So what is the third number in our series? That is 50. So your median is 50. So in the individual series, when the odd series is given to us, we have to use the formula and then we have to put the values 5 plus 1 directly third item. So third item you can write whatever is given in your series. Now let's solve the even series. Now this is the even series. Now first step is to arrange them ascending order or maybe in the descending order. So now I am arranging in the ascending 40, 42, 50, 55, 60 and 65. So formula is same, size of n plus 1 upon 2 item, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that means number of items are 6. So 6 plus 1 upon 2 item. So 6 plus 1 upon 2, that means 7 upon 2. So 3.5 item. Now 3.5 we cannot find out from the series whatever we have got. Now how to get this 3.5 item? For this now we have to use this formula. Median is equals to, because this is third, it's written third 3.5. So now we will use third item plus fourth item divided by 2. If your answer was if your answer will be like 4.5, so that means how we can calculate fourth item plus fifth item divided by 2. And suppose if this is your 2.5, so that means second item plus third item divided by 2. So here we have 3.5, so third item plus fourth item divided by 2. Now your third item is 50 and fourth item is 55. So 50 plus 55 upon 2, that means 105 upon 2, so 52.5. Now this is your answer. So first of all we discussed individual series, and in the individual series two cases are there, odd series or the even series. In the odd series, directly you will get third item, second item, fourth item. So from the series you can search the second item or third item or the fourth item. But if the in question you will get the even numbers, so even numbers, so definitely you will get the answer in the decimal. So if your answer is 2.5, 3.5, 4.5, so 4.5, so that means how we will calculate? Fourth item plus fifth item divided by 2. Here we have 3.5, so third item plus fourth item divided by 2. If your answer will be like 5.5, so fifth item plus sixth item divided by 2. In this way we have to calculate the answers. Now this next type of the series which we are going to solve, that is discrete series. Discrete series in which you will get the frequency. But your first step is to arrange the x values. So first of all we have to arrange the data in ascending order in terms of CF. That means now we have to arrange this one, and accordingly we have to arrange the frequency also. So how we are going to arrange? Now again I am writing x over here. Your smaller number is 10. And what is the frequency of this number? 3. Then 11. And what is the frequency of 11 is 12. Now next one is 12. Its frequency is 18. Next number 13. Frequency is 12. And last one is 14. Frequency is 3. Now this is your first step. First of all we have to arrange the x in ascending or in the descending order, and accordingly you have to arrange the frequency also. Now your second step in the discrete series is to calculate CF, cumulative frequency. Simple, you have to add from top to the bottom. So first of all 3 plus 12, 15, 15 plus 18, 33, 33 plus 12, 45, and 45 plus 3, 48. And now the total of the frequency also you can get 48. Okay, so now first of all from the frequency we will get the cumulative frequency. Now we have to put the formula. Size of n plus 1 upon 2 item. Okay, now here n means number of items. Now number of items we are not going to use. Here we will use the total of the frequency. So what is the frequency? Is 48 plus 1 upon 2. Now after solving 49 divided by 2, so that means your item is 24.5 item. Now when you got this answer, now we have to search it in the CF. Either equivalent to 24.5 or greater than 24.5. So in the CF 24.5 is not there, so now we have to search greater than this number. So just greater number, 15 is smaller, 33 is greater than 24.5. so that means now this 33 is your median group. Okay, so now in front of 33 what is x is given over here? So 12, so your median is 12. Clear? So in the discrete series, your first step, arrange the x series in the ascending order or in the descending order, and accordingly arrange the frequency also. First step. Then second step, calculate cumulative frequency by adding the frequency from top to the bottom. Second step done. Now third step, write down the formula, size of n plus 1 upon 2 item. Now here n, that means total of the frequency. So 48 plus 1 upon 2 item. Whatever the answer you are getting over here, that is 49 upon 2. So your answer is 24.5. Now 24.5 we have to search it in the CF, either equivalent to this number or greater than this number. If equivalent is not given, no problem, just search the greater one. So greater than is 33. So in 33, it's in the front of this number, x is 12. So median is 12. Now the next type of the series to calculate the median is continuous series. Continuous series in which we will get the class interval. So first step, if it is arranged then no problem, if it is not arranged then we have to arrange it. Now the second step, same we have to do like the discrete series. Now the CF, you have to add the frequencies from top to the bottom. So 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. And 16 plus 9, 25. Done. Now after that, what we have to do, same process whatever we have done over here, but for the continuous series the formula is different. For size of n upon 2 item, here we are not going to use n plus 1, directly n upon 2 we have to use. Now n is total of the frequency, the total of the frequency is 25. So 25 upon 2, that means 12.5 item. Now 12.5 item we have to search in the particular class interval. So 12.5, first of all just check it in the CF, either equivalent or greater. 12.5 we don't have, so now just greater than 12.5 is 16. So now this one is your median group. So this one is your median class or median group. Now how we have to calculate? Now your formula of the median is L1 plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into interval. Now L1, that means in this median class your L1 is 30, lower limit. N upon 2, how much we have got it? 25 upon 2 is equals to 12.5. And CF that means just above this one is your CF. So CF is 9 upon frequency. What is the frequency? 7 into what is the class interval of this one? 10. So in this way. Now 30 plus 12.5 minus 9 upon 7 into 10. If you will calculate it, you will get answer 5, and after that your answer is 35. So in the continuous series, your steps will be, first of all, calculate the CF by adding the frequency from top to the bottom. First step done. Second step, now we have to search the item n upon 2. N upon 2, total of the frequency 25 upon 2. Whatever the answer comes, search it in the CF, either equivalent or greater. So greater is 16. So that one is your median class. Now we have to search that where is that number in between this class interval. So for this we have to use this formula, L1 plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into I. So n upon 2 here we have done. So directly we will put the values 12.5. L1 the median class, that is the lower limit 30. CF just above 1, 9. Frequency in this median class, what is the frequency? 7. So we will put 7, and interval of this median class is 10. So after solving we will get the answer 35.